a place for teens at the DeSoto Public Library. I'm Ms. Marq.
And I'm Ms. Nara. First of all, we hope that you all are safe and healthy and you are practicing social distancing.
We know that it's tough for you guys right now, and you may not be able to see some of your friends or go to some of the places you would like to go. So we thought that we would do some fun activity videos that you can do at home. So today we're going to show you how to do this cool mask made out of some things that you may already have at home. Let's get started.
Step 1. First, you need to stretch out your sock to measure it around your face. Step 2. Cutting. Cut about 1 inch off the top of your sock. Next, cut the other side of the sock above the heel. Step 3. Ear holes. At one end, cut a slit 1 inch away from the edge and about 1/3 of the way into the center. Now fold the other end over and repeat the slit using the first slit as a guide. Open your sock and you should have 2 ear holes, one on both sides. Turn your sock over and cut along the crease. Now open your mask to expose the ear holes. Step 4. Fitting. Now it's time to try on your mask. Open your mask and hook it on each ear. Now adjust to fit your face. For added protection, here's a filter option.
Well, that's it, guys, for our first session of What's Hot at the Spot. Please note that this is just an alternative to your standard face mask. Please be sure to consult the CDC's guidelines and regulations. See you next time.